Guys, hawak ko na ang bagong Red Magic 11 Pro. Sobrang ganda nitong phone na ito. It comes together with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is one of the most powerful for 2025 na processor. Actually, siya yung pinakamalakas from Qualcomm for this year. And moving forward, probably makita mo most of the flagship phone might come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And ang ganda rin nito, guys. So, kita nito umiikot, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo. This is called the AeroCool na chamber, no? It is a new technology na ginawa ni Red Magic. Kita mo, guys, ito yung kanyang liquid cooling. Umiikot dito, guys, ang ganda. Plus, of course, umiilaw itong Red Magic logo, plus yung aking fan. This is the industry's first na waterproof na fan, plus pinakamabilis din at 24,000 RPM. And gameplay-wise, guys, ang ganda. No? Umiilaw din itong kanyang shoulder triggers, which is definitely a plus. Ganda, no? Sarap tingnan. Very pleasing to the eyes. And with a 520 Hz na touch sampling rate dito sa shoulder trigger, perfect na perfect siya for Call of Duty Mobile. And playing games like Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact, pinakamainit na inabot ko is around nasa 43 degrees Celsius. Which, personally saying, hindi siya ganun kainit So, effective meaning yung kanyang cooling dito, kahit isagad mo ang gaming graphics mo dito sa phone nito, wala kang maging problema. And of course, yung kanyang design, as usual, walang punch hole. So, you really get a immersive experience from yung kanyang gameplay. Kahit manood ka ng mga videos dito, pananong-panalo si Red Magic 11 Pro. Now, if you're interested to know more about the phone nito, don't forget to subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para makita ninyo yung full na specs nito phone nito plus yung aking analysis. So, I'll see you there.